Once upon a time, in a small quiet town, lived a little girl named Lily. She had a beautiful backyard where she loved to play and dream. But one day, she noticed that her backyard was looking a little neglected. "It's time for some yard work," thought Lily, her eyes sparkling with excitement. She grabbed her tiny gardening gloves and a little watering can. Lily started by pulling out the weeds that were growing between the colorful flowers. She sang a little song as she worked, making the task feel less tiring. "Weeds, be gone. I'm Lily, the flower queen," she sang, her laughter echoing in the quiet garden. Next, she watered the flowers, making sure each one got its fair share. She even talked to them, telling them about her day at school and her friends. "I wish these flowers could talk back," she thought. "We could have such great conversations." As the days passed, Lily noticed that her backyard was transforming. The flowers were blooming, and the once neglected garden was now a vibrant oasis. "I did it!" Lily exclaimed, her eyes wide with surprise and joy. "I turned our backyard into a beautiful garden." From that day forward, Lily made it her mission to keep her backyard beautiful. She learned that with a little hard work and a lot of love, anything was possible. And every night before she went to bed, Lily would sit in her backyard, surrounded by the blossoms she had nurtured. She would close her eyes, feeling the cool breeze on her face, and fall asleep with a smile on her face, dreaming of what her backyard would look like next. The end.